We're going to be reading for a sign of Libra. Let's take for the next 1 week. Okay, so what's happening? Currently, I see separation. So time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So you guys could not be on a very like the bond could be slowly deteriorating. You guys are not on the on equal page. Things are not balanced between the two of you. There's a lack of harmony in the connection. Second card we have is I'm confused, which tells me that your person or you could be confused regarding what next. Okay, we also have improving health, but the time of separation, whatever is going on, this is actually helping you get your life together. Like you slowly are letting go of things, of attachments, and it's slowly letting go of your fears, your insecurities, and you're starting to accept yourself. So slowly but surely you're being all fine alone. You don't feel the crazy need or to be a part of someone. Slowly but surely you're healing yourself. Okay, that's what it means. Okay, let go. So currently many of you guys could be letting go of a connection slowly but surely, or moving on, or trying to move on. Okay, last card we have here is flirt, which tells me that some of you need to extend your light-hearted energy to others. You shouldn't keep yourself completely closed off. Start openly flirting. I mean, you're a Libra, man. I mean, like, bloody Libras do not need to flirt. You guys attract a lot of attention as it is. So just extend your lighted energy. Just start to enjoy life. Do not take life so seriously. Just because someone is not treating you right does not mean that you are unworthy or things are not never going to be together again. Never. Okay, so infinite supply is your advice. You are supplied for today and all your tomorrows. Okay, so that being said, let's start your tarot now. What's happening? What's currently happening in Libra's life? What's currently happening in Libra's life? Please help me get a whole tarot spread for Libras for the next 7 days. What's really happening in Libra's life? Okay, currently we have Ace of Swords. So many of you guys are finally going to come to know about the truth. Someone was hiding from you. Some of you guys have finally realized that the person you were connecting with or were in contact with was kind of a player, was in and out of your life, wasn't completely committed to you, was keeping their options open, was also talking to other people, was not completely devoted to you. Okay, second card, yeah, Seven of Swords. So many of you guys have come to know or will come to know that the person you were very much wanting to connect with wasn't completely committed or devoted to you. Okay, they were keeping their options open. Okay, for some of you in the month of September, I see your person trying to communicate with you. Okay, whoever you think your person is, give me one more card as to what's coming towards Libra. What's coming towards Libra? One more card. What's coming towards Libra? I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Many of you guys are restless. You guys are not getting proper sleep. You guys are unsure what's happening in your life, or clueless as to what your person is up to. Okay, just let go, man. I mean, do not try to control anything. When you surrender, things start falling back to place. So that's that. With Page of Swords, many of you could be stalking or keeping a watch or wanting to see what your person is up to. Many of you guys do not like the term stalking. But if you guys watch someone's last scene online, what this person is up to, go and check their social media. That is stalking. Okay, I'm not blaming you for something major like killing someone or chasing someone or something basic. Okay, with Four of Cups, many of you guys feel a little upset right now. You guys are not happy. You guys are not in a happy space altogether. I see you a little depressed. I won't say completely depressed, but a little off track. Okay, some of you feel like your person has rejected you. That there's this feeling of rejection. Okay, you guys feel let down majorly by your person. Okay, so let's start now. Overall, what can my dear Libras possibly expect for the next 7 days? Okay, one card for what's the collective energy like between Libra and their soulmate. What's the collective energy like between Libra and their soulmate? One card for what's the collective energy like between Libra and their soulmate. With Ace of Pentacles, many of you guys are going to get offer very soon. If this is not from your person, this could be from a new party, new person altogether. Many of you guys will be having choices between a new person and an old person, but I see for many of you in the month of September getting a new offer. Okay, this could either be from your old person or this could be a brand new person, depends on who you want in your life. Okay, so give me one more card as to what's the collective energy going to be. What's the collective energy going to be for Libra month of September? Okay, many of you guys, your person is returning after they were unable to move on. Also, some of you are unable to move on or let go completely. Eight of Cups in the reverse is not being able to move on or walk away. I also feel your partners who are trying to move on or stay away from you but were not able to. So many of you guys will reconnect in the month of September. I also see other tarot readers talking about reconnection in the month of September. I believe August was a confusing month, wasn't a bad month to be honest. But yeah, so how is your person going to come towards you? Libra soulmates energy towards Libra. Libra soulmates energy towards Libra. One card for that. Your person has broken your heart in some which way. Okay, we have Three of Swords. This person could have put you into a third party. For some of you, Three of Swords is highlighted. It is not a good card to get. They also feel heartbroken that you are not together. They feel like you are giving in to your work, your career, your family life, your personal life. They feel heartbroken. Okay, how are they going to possibly come forward towards you now? Give me one more card as to how is the Libra so possible to come forward towards Libra. With Ten of Wands, your person is burdened. Okay, they need your help. This person is messed up without you. They thought that they could walk away without you and stay happy, but they were not able to. Right now they are coming back, but they need you more than them wanting to be around you. They need you. Okay, they feel this emptiness, they feel this heaviness without you, and they basically want you to be around them and sort their life. Okay. They are messed up without you. Give me one more card. What's happening in Libra soulmate's life currently? What's really happening in Libra soulmate's life? Their energy is very heavy. Okay, very heavy. Not so good. One card for what's happening in Libra's soulmate's life currently. One card for that. This person needs your help. Okay, I can give you in writing. Right now, your person is heavily focused on their finances. Okay, they want to get their career going, moving the way they want it to be. Okay, right now I do not see them like completely flirting and doing shitty things. I see them rather focusing on themselves, being a little selfish, but majorly focusing on their finances, their career, their life, their family. Okay, so one card for how are they thinking about you now. One card for how is the Libra soulmate possibly thinking about Libra now. How is the Libra soulmate possibly thinking about Libra now. With Wheel of Fortune, this person right now is waiting for the right moment or the right time to reconnect with you. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune, they feel like this is not the right time to reconnect. I do not say them quitting on you. They rather are heartbroken without you. They feel the need to be around you, and they know that they'll have to reach out back to you. Okay, one more card as to how they think about Libra when they miss them or when they come across their social media. How do they truly think of Libras now? Libra soulmate. With Four of Pentacles, this person has been very stubborn, a person, like very stubborn individual, not wanting to open up, not wanting to say that they want you, but they want you. With Four of Pentacles, they haven't opened up. They haven't opened up that they still need you. They haven't given up on you, but they haven't even opened up to you. Okay. So the past few days, I feel this person was at the same place that they were in. They did not take action. They are still looking at you from a distance. They are waiting to come back to you at the right time. When, I do not know. With Ten of Swords, currently they feel like you are not wanting them. They somewhat know that they have kind of humiliated you or possibly hurt you in some which way. okay, and they are little fearful of reaching out to you or reaching back to you, okay. So that's something I see for now. In terms of their intentions, what are their intentions towards Libra? In terms of their intentions, what are their real intentions towards Libra now moving forward? What are their real intentions, Libra soulmate? I'll be honest with you, currently your person is ghosting you. Okay, with Five of Cups, this person tried to move on from you. They tried to move in another direction from you. But top card we have here is Six of Swords. Your person will take time reconnecting. As of now, your person was giving their heart and soul into trying to move on from you. Okay, I won't lie to you. We have the Hermit card. Okay, so what can my dear Libras possibly expect within the next 7 days in terms of action? What can dear Libras possibly expect? This person might also, for some of you, want you to help them, like give them some direction or purpose in life. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, this person will reconnect, but it will take time. Knight of Swords is usually a fast card, but you know, this person is conflicted, like within their thoughts. They are trying to think whether they should reach out or not. I majorly see them reaching out within the next 7 to 8 days, but you know, as of now, your person is trying to stay alone, trying to stay away. Okay. So what's going on in their mind currently? What's happening in their life? What's going on in their life? Libra soulmate, what's really happening in their life, if we may know what's really happening in their life. Yeah, again we got the Queen of Pentacles. So this person right now may be concerned if your person is married. Okay, let's take that side as well. If your person is married or was supposed to get married, they are trying to focus on their life partner. Okay, if they are not married, I see them trying to focus on their finances, their growth, their success. Okay, so that's that. One card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you. Libra soulmates current feelings towards Libra. What are their current feelings towards Libra now? How do they truly feel about Libra? Sorry. Right now with Eight of Pentacles and Justice card, this person is way too focused on themselves to be reaching out to you. Okay, when their life is balanced again, they might want to reach out, but as of now their life is not balanced. Okay, they are fixing their life, they are trying to get back on track. Okay, for many of them are very focused on themselves. Okay, so I get a very selfish energy here. Okay, this could also be the Libra doing this. These readings have the tendencies of going vice versa, so take it accordingly. Okay, one more card for how do they feel about you when they think of you or when they miss you. Libra soulmate, how do you feel about you? With Knight of Wands, I still see this person trying to reconnect. When they miss you, some of them have a very strong sexual obsession. They find you very happening. Okay. With the Moon card, some of them try to think about you at nights doing some shady stuff. Okay, but I do feel on a very strong note that this person is very sexually intrigued by you. Okay, with the Lovers card, yes, strong sexual chemistry, very strong. What would are they wanting to offer you if they try to reconnect? What are they willing to offer you now? One card for what's the Libra possibly wanting to offer Libra if they try to reconnect. What are they willing to offer Libra? Is it just a sexual connection or more than that? That's the crazy shit, right? Four of Wands. This means marriage. Bottom card is Nine of Cups. Top card is Two of Wands. It's not like your person only wants a sexual connection. Your person wants more, but they will take time with the Two of Wands. They haven't decided on it. But what would they want to offer you? They would also want to offer you commitment, but not so soon, darling. We have Two of Wands. So they are still confused. You know, the starting card we got, I'm confused. That's the card. Okay. With Two of Wands being the top card here, I still see them being at crossroads, not knowing what to do. But it's not just sex. They also have more than that. Okay, how do they see you, or how do they view you now? How does the Libra soulmate possibly view Libra now? This is a part of the extended version which people charge money for. I'm giving it for free. Enjoy. With Six of Wands, this person wants your attention. Okay, they also feel like you are getting attention from other individuals. They feel like you are basically doing well in your life or getting the attention you need in your life. They know that you're a Libra. You'll definitely have the attention from people. Okay, but with Two of Cups, they feel like you might reject them if they try to reconnect, or you might not want to connect back with them. Okay, they know that you don't trust them completely. Okay, so where is this connection possibly going forward? Where is this connection possibly going forward for Libras? Where is this connection possibly going forward? With the Magician, you guys still want each other. Okay, no matter what you tell me in the comment section, if you're still watching this video, that means you're still curious enough to know what's happening next. In some which manner you still want this connection. Okay, with Page of Cups, some of you could be waiting for this person to apologize to you. Okay, with Two of Wands, yes, many of you guys are waiting for this person to reconnect. Okay, so why is this person not reconnecting? What's the main purpose of the blockage that's holding them back from reconnecting? Why is the Libra Soulmate not reconnecting? What's the main blockage? The Tower card. You guys fell apart. Things broke between the two of you. You guys could have fought as well. You guys were not on the same page. Okay, things happened in the past which got you guys here. Okay, with Nine of Wands, you also started acting all cold and detached. You did not want to give in. You slowly started to give up. Not like give up, but like you slowly started to not give in to the connection. You started to possibly act all detached and not wanting to talk, not wanting to be in contact. So you were basically guarding your heart or saving your heart from further heartbreak. Okay, so what are they wanting from you now? What's the Libra Soulmate possibly wanting from Libra? What is the Libra Soulmate possibly wanting from Libra? Page of Swords. This person wants you to start communication. This person is very curious about you. They want to know if you are still curious about them as well. Okay, they are upset that you haven't reached out. Some part of them feel like you are moving on, or you are not wanting them back. Okay, so yes, this is the reading so far. I'll have to pull some love messages. All those who have donated to the channel for the past 1 week, you guys are sending in some donations. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It helps my channel to move forward. It's been extremely difficult for me to get tarot cards. It like if I have to get it from outside, it takes me like a month and more, to be honest. To be very, very honest, I swear on my cards. Okay, here is the first message. I want to talk to you. Okay, one more message. Yeah. I don't feel worthy of you. That's the second message. Last message for Libra. I'm going to start taking private readings or personal readings again. So all those who want to book one, go to my website and book one. Last message for Libra. That Libra wants to say to Libra out loud. I'm hurting without you. Okay. So these are the messages. You would make a perfect partner for me. That's the last message at the bottom. So yes, this was your reading. I would also want to tell you guys that if you guys are watching tarot readings and you haven't had contact with your person for more than 8 months, darling, it's better to move on. I know it's my business, and I make money out of this. Not much, but still making money. It's my job to give you the right advice. If your person is not connected with you for 8 months and more, chances are they are already in a new connection. Okay, so you do not have to waste time, and you get your life back and move on. Okay, all the best to you guys. All those who are in somewhat in connection, like sometimes in a month, sometimes in a week, sometimes twice a month, sometimes once in 3 months, that's still going on. Okay, but no contact for 8 months and more, darling, the connection is over. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Libra. If you connected, please be kind enough to hit the like button. I'll be posting on Instagram first, after, and then on YouTube. Okay, so be kind enough to hit the like button if it only connects with you or resonates with you. All those who are wanting to donate to the channel can donate to the channel. The link is in the description section below. All those who are wanting personal readings with me, you can book one and like get in contact and we could work it out. Okay, thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Your likes, your comments means a lot to me, and I haven't thanked you guys enough. Everyone who has been a part of this of this page, of this journey, thank you so much. God bless you all. Cheers.